How's it going, everybody? This is another one of those Does It Work episodes. So today is going to be a cold or a short ram intake for 2001 330 Ci. You have the filter, a small little elbow, the hose fittings, and then the clamps. What's weird is there's a piece of extra gum in here, which is really weird, but yeah, so I'm pretty sure that the tools you need, I brought a flathead just in case, but is going to be the 10mm, which is going to be for those two screws, and there's 5 clips holding the box down, so I'll take that apart and I'll see if I need any other tools. Alright, so that came out pretty easy and that went in pretty easy. It's pretty much a 10-minute job. Only issue I had with my car was this silicone hose right there. If you look right there, it's a big hole. That's not a good sign, so I'm gonna order a new one of those and whatever, just let the car suck in the hot air from right there. I could probably put some tape over it. That'd be a good idea. So yeah, I'm gonna tape it, and then I will tighten up all these bolts and enjoy my 1 horsepower upgrade. Thank you. So yeah, that came out pretty easy. Took about 2 minutes. Just like I said, those 2 screws plus the 5 clips on the airbox itself. This went in just as easy. There's 1 clamp there, 1 clamp there, 1 clamp there. Filter sitting right there. There's a little inlet right here. It's away from the engine, but like I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a custom heat shield that goes from there to here, and something that will stop like right here, so that will be shielded off, and I'll level it so it touches up nicely against the hood right there. Companies like Mishimoto and AFE, they make them, but I'm not about to pay like $500 for an intake. I paid $40 for this, or 45 Canadian, so like 37 American, and I have no complaints. It took me 20 minutes to do, and I'm gonna enjoy my 1 horsepower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more videos.